Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to mute calls from your friend on Messenger, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to mute calls from your friend on Messenger, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Messenger. After opening your Messenger, I want you to long press the chat of the friend whose calls you want to mute. After long pressing, you will then be able to see the mute button right below the delete button. Just go and tap it. And right here, you will have three options for muting your friend. You can either just mute their message, mute their calls, or mute both. But since this video is about how to mute calls from your friends, you just need to select between these two depending on what you want. And once you're done selecting, you can now tap OK. Then right here, you just gotta select how long you want to mute your friend. And once you've selected, tap OK once again to completely mute them. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you won't receive calls notifications from your friend anymore unless you unmute it or the time duration you've selected runs out. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.